This is an update for anybody that looked at my first video about this side-mounted garage door opener. The original one, which I found at O'Reilly's years and years ago when they actually had garage door openers, finally gave up the ghost. And so chain drive garage door openers are getting much harder to find now. And a lot of the ones that are available are a cartridge type chain drive. So the rail and the chain are all part of the same assembly. So I ended up with a Chamberlain, the smallest, least expensive one they have, and mounted it in the same spot as the original. I had to tweak the bracketry just a little bit, and you can see the photoelectric eyes. I've got them mounted up on the rail because we don't have kids or animals that can get in the way of the door going up and down. So it's a lot louder than the old one, but you know what? It takes the door up farther than the old one did, and works pretty well. I've had it up for about a week and haven't had any issues with it. So here it is going up. It would actually go farther, but since I've got the light there, it doesn't make any sense to have it go any farther. It lifts the door full open into the opening, and so far so good. We'll see how it holds up over time. Like I said, not as quiet as the old opener, but you know, you got to take what you can get. So I don't know if this will help anybody else that has an ailing garage door opener, but there you go.